In this video, we'll provide an overview of payments. TaxDome offers various tools to help you manage and track client payments. Whether a client pays an invoice, you make a payment on their behalf, or you add a credit note, all payment details will be visible. You can view client payments, check their statuses, link payments to jobs, search for specific amounts, and more. To view all your payments, go to the Billing section and click on Payments. There, you will find all the payments you've received since starting your operation with us. The total amount paid, total refund, and total revenue are also included. If you want to see payments from a specific client, go to the Client section, Accounts. Click on the name of the client you're looking for, navigate to Invoices and the Payment subtab. Here, you will find each payment with its respective number, date it was made, and status, which can be anything from paid, verifying payment, incomplete, or failed. Here is also the amount of each payment. The source refers to whether it was made in cash or credit card. The Invoices column refers to the invoice or invoices this payment is linked to. This column refers to the amount given back in case of a refund. Finally, the description refers to details on the payment. To view the payment details, click the payment number. Once it is open, you can see the payment type, amount, and invoices it covers. If the payment was made through Stripe or CPA charge, its transaction ID is displayed. When viewing a specific client's payments page, you see the dollar amount of their outstanding invoices, available credits, and unbilled time. To link a payment to a job, click on the three dots next to the payment or open the payment and click on the three dots. Select Link to Jobs, then select the jobs from the list. Once linked, the linked Jobs section is displayed. You can see the job's title and the pipeline to which the job belongs. You can also do this from a pipeline or when creating a new payment. Remember that to use any of these three methods, you or the team member doing this must have the Manage Payment toggle on in Access Rights. To search for a payment by description, amount, client account, or invoice number, type a keyword in the search field and press Enter. Let's take a look at an example. I will type Atlas Industries to look for all the payments made by that company. You can see all the results on the screen. Click the X in the search field to clear it. You can also find specific payments using filters. They can be the account name and source, such as whether it was made by check, cash, credit card, or direct bank debit, the amount, payment date, and the status, which can be paid, failed, incomplete, or still being verified. Another example. Let's look at all the payments for $500. Select Amount, type 500 and press Enter. All the payments for $500 appear on the screen. Press the X button to go back to all payments. To print a payment list, click the Print button at the top right of the page. Apply the print settings suggested by the browser. While we do not recommend deleting payments since we encourage you to maintain them for record keeping, TaxDome allows you to delete them if you require it. To delete a payment, click the three dots to the right of the payment in the list, select Delete, and confirm. After that, the status of the corresponding invoice changes from paid to unpaid or overdue. If the payment is synced to QuickBooks, it will also be deleted.